everyone, it's me, Reina, and I'm freezing cold here at Everest. Now, finding the right location for your new Everest machine is like finding the right fishing spot. Where do you get the most catches? Though the idea can be nerve-wracking, Everest has you covered. We have compiled a comprehensive guide on how to find the perfect spot for your new machine. So let's get to it. Before we begin, consider subscribing to the channel. That way you can stay up to date with everything happening here at Everest. And don't forget to like the video, it really helps. Many machine owners purchase equipment before they have found a location, and that's okay. Of the hundreds of machines we have sold and shipped, we have never shipped to someone without a location. So trust us, we'll find a good spot to set up camp. Take a look at the following steps and resources that will make finding the perfect location for you a breeze. Step 1. Think about who needs ice and where they get it from. Answer me this. Who needs ice and water? Everyone. Everyone needs it. No one wants a hot drink on a scorching beach day. The best bet is to look for the areas where the people who need it the most will be. Blue-collar workers, apartment complex residents, boaters, campers, beachgoers, and fishers are just a few of the largest consumers of ice. So marinas, RV parks, campgrounds, beaches, and hardware stores are great places to consider. You should also keep an eye on gas stations, stop malls, dollar stores, liquor stores, and other high-traffic convenience areas, because we have the smallest unit out of any of our competitors. Step 2. Get acquainted with the neighborhood in the area. Get a lay of the land, as they say. Put yourself in your customer's shoes. Drive around the area. What catches your eye? Look for places that are visible from the roadway, and high traffic areas with lower speed limits are always good if they're accessible. When it comes to accessibility, make sure to look for multiple exit and entry points. You want to make sure as many different types of vehicles can fit there. From scooters to party buses, any vehicle can carry ice. And most importantly, the more complementary businesses nearby, the better. This includes convenience stores, gas stations, liquor stores, drugstores, and more. Think about where are people stopping on their errands or during their commutes. Google Maps makes a great source for this information, as well as exploring the area in person. Step 3. Look at the numbers. How much are you going to make in a day? A month? A year? Take a look at the population and income statistics in your area. Research how much consumers spend in the area, particularly on the food and beverage industries. Ice is a convenience item, so these numbers will help you gauge how much or how frequently customers in the area are likely to purchase ice. There is also a correlation between higher percentages of Hispanic populations and increased spending on ice, so that's one small indicator of several that point to a good location for your machine. There are several helpful tools that will help you look at these numbers, but two that stand above the rest: the United States Census Bureau Quick Facts website and Data USA. Both are simple to use, but provide comprehensive and visual data to help you along the way. Check the links in the description below to find them. Step 4. Reach out to businesses that meet the above criteria. You can talk the talk, but can you walk the walk? This is the part where you have to sell yourself. Luckily, we've already done most of the work with the documentation we have provided in our starter kit. If you haven't downloaded that, no worries. The link is in the description box below. Now, you can reach out in person or you can send an email with the template we have provided. Ultimately, it comes down to telling them what they're going to get out of it. Aside from monthly income from the rent of 20 square feet of space they're not likely utilizing, it's going to drive traffic to their location. That's particularly attractive to business owners who are looking to increase traffic and awareness without having to spend a cent on advertising or marketing. Don't forget to mention that they won't be responsible for the machine either. You have that part taken care of. Step 5. Get site estimates from a local plumber and an electrician. Unlike other things in life, these are the only two hookups you'll need. Most plumbers and electricians offer free estimates, so make sure to take advantage of that service to help you get prepared. This will help you measure an estimate of how much the utilities are going to cost, particularly if you're running new lines out to the machine's installation site. This can also prove to be useful with the next step, which is Step 6. Make a lease and utility agreement with your new landlord. Get everything in writing, then back it up. Once you have made a verbal agreement with your new landlord, it's incredibly beneficial for all parties involved to sign a lease, including a utility agreement. This sets an expectation for everyone involved, so there isn't any confusion or complication later in your business relationship. For the utilities, you can either install a sub-meter or you can incorporate the average energy costs into the monthly rent. Step 7. Advertise your new location. Spread the word. As usual, we're here to help. We offer an extensive marketing package that, depending on your needs, includes flags, custom banners, promotional free vend coupons, tents, and more. Have a grand opening. Talk to local businesses for word-of-mouth marketing. Put up signage. Do whatever you can to let people know your ice and water vending machine is there. This will help you build your customer base quicker, bringing you a bigger and faster return on your investment. If you follow these steps, you'll be earning an easy income in no time. The other great news? If you don't like how your machine is performing in one area, it's simple and easy to move it to another location. You can even follow these steps again and compare them with your original results to get the best possible outcome. With Everest, success is always an option. Ice and water vending will elevate your business to the next level. For your customers, it's all about convenience. So give them what they want while saving yourself time, money, space, and energy. Click the link in the description below or send an email to sales@everesticeandwater.com to speak with an equipment specialist today. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.